Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Simply CM. My God, ang laki na mukha ko. Adjust ko kayo. Okay, Simply CM, and today is January 2, 2024. Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday. And kadarating ko lang from work. Si Martin ay naghanda ng pagkain. Ako naman, medyo re-relax muna kasi kakapag... Pero I'll show you kung ano yung ginagawa niya. Oh my God. Anyway, day off ko bukas guys. Pero yung day off na yun, isang dami namin gagawin. Alam nyo na, mag-prepare na para sa pagpuntang Pilipinas. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung food namin, char. Down here, so may pa-fries tayo, may asparagus, tapos may asparagus na kinavera ng bacon. So, sarap-sarap niyan. So, yan yung sauce na ginawa ni Martin guys para ready na sa aming kain. It's called bearnaise sauce. Yeah, masarap yan. Promise. Eat namin for New Year. So, medyo okay naman siya. Malaki naman siya. Tapos i-slice lang namin. So, yan. Solve yung dinner. My God. Anyway. Adjust ko muna kayo dyan. Grabe guys. Sobrang busy sa shop namin today. As in, ang daming mga return items. Alam nyo na yung mga gift na na-receive nila during Christmas. So, time to, return. So, yun. Sobrang busy. Pero may binili pala ako. Pakita ko sa inyo. Tingnan nyo yung binili ko sa work. Anyway, binili ko siya online. Pero, feel ko, i-return ko din siya kasi nag-start na yung yung January sale. Sa shop namin. And then, mas mura yun kaysa nabili ko. So, i-return ko siya. That's my plan. And then, after, ay bibili ako ng iba. Kasi ito sana yung magiging outfit ko sa pag-travel ba. Ito na. Charan! Sweatshirt siya, guys. Kasi, gusto ko para komportable ba sa pagbiyahe. And then, ito na din kasi ayaw kong magdala ng jacket from here kasi sa bagahe. Kanang, super fluffy and ang lakas maka-take ng space. So, I was thinking, okay, but I think it's so big. I don't know, maybe it's also okay. Anyway, medyo pa-pink siya. Binili ko sweatshirt. And then, pinartliran ko din ng open natin yung isa. Pero, I'll try to try it on later. Pero, pag okay naman siya, so, I think, I don't know, hindi ako makapag-decide talaga. Kasi may mga nakikita akong sale ngayon doon na mga ganito din yung style ba. Not specifically na ganito, pero ganito yung mga style. So, let's see. Kung saan tayo, ito din medyo malaki siya. Pero maybe okay lang din naman. So, yun. Kumusta mga naging buhay-buhay natin dyan? Kumusta? How's your New Year? How's your New Year?
It's brand new. It's a brand new year. It's New Year. It's brand new. I haven't used this year so much yet.
You're still in the second day.
Correct.
Okay, so you're excited for the year.
Correct.
How does it feel going to the Philippines on Monday?
Feel tiring. Long travel. Let's see.
Okay, good. Guys, yan na. Ready to eat na tayo. Char, hindi pa pala. Yumsy. This one becomes so crispy.
And a knife, right?
I think it got overcooked. But I can eat it. Paksi Conde, my favorite daw is Paksi Conde compared to Coke.
Then you like your...
You want an honest answer?
Yeah.
No, because Look what happened.
Look at mine.
Look what happened to the asparagus. Wait lang, see?
It's too. I like it so much.
It's so sad. I feel so sad for the... Guys, ito yung pagkain ko, guys. Oh, ano ba nangyari sa... Look, kita ba? Damn. Ano ba nangyari sa asparagus natin? Ah. Masarap pa rin naman. In fairness. Instagram smartin ah.
There's a light. This one light. It looks like you are in a cave. You wanted it like in. I asked if you wanted, so you said no. I don't like that.
So you're not gonna give me even one?
I'm gonna give you a bite, maybe. Want a bite?
What do you think? Oh, blurred ba? Char. Ah, blurred talaga. Ay, aroy, ginoo ko. Anyway, kung Martin, guys, asparagus siya na may bacon na nakakover. So, mas masarap sa kanya sa akin. Wala ah. What time is this gonna be here?
Problem.
A cup of coffee in the morning, and I get the paper. I check the headlines and decide that I am bored. I check my email and I decide to answer later. Another cup of coffee and I drag myself to work. My life is grounded in a firm routine of coffee, sleep, and work. I am not boring, I just stick to work.
Why are we moving to London?
Live in
It's very expensive there.
super.
More than expensive than in Denmark, in Copenhagen.
What do you want?
But why is it in the expats? There's so much was like they think it's Copenhagen more expensive than where they came from in the UK.
I don't know that. London is very expensive. Oh, it's just. Oh, yes.
A flower is a flower, it is just a flower, it's just another flower. It's not a moonlit night, it is not a